Look, I know this was supposed to come sooner, but hey, I just got my shoes today, so don't sweat. I'm gonna be reviewing them. Don't worry. You guys know what it is, the Air Jordan 4 Military Blues. That sneaker that's been blowing up this month, or at least half the month. Now we're waiting for the Futura Nike SB Dunks, which I'm trying to get. So anyways, guys, let's hop into it and I'll show you the shoes, all right? All right, guys, what's going on? It's MGBL back at you with another sneaker review. Like I said, finally got the Military Blues, so let's hop into these bad boys and start unboxing them. So, funny story with these while I unbox this. So basically, the guy was on vacation, so I got them through eBay Verified, and to my luck, the guy was on vacation until like last week, right? And you know me, I never have luck by getting these shoes retail, so I have to pay resale, which is only $100 over. So it wasn't too bad, but as I expected, it completely sold out on the app. It sold out in Canada, and for some reason, I don't get it. It's hard to get these type of Jordans in Canada, especially in Ontario. I don't know what the problem is. Maybe I need to expand my plugs or something, but honestly, I'm not too sure why it's so hard to get flipping Jordans. But anyways, guys, just make sure you always get one of these guys when you are buying on eBay. I don't even buy on StockX, but yeah, it's verified. So let's get into the box. Now, I hear people have been calling this the industrial blue. To me, they're the military blues because these been retroed a few times, back in 06 and then 2012. And now 12 years later, we're getting this one. So this is the updated pair, but these were originally released in 1989. And they were really iconic for the time. They're one of the OG colorways that came out back then for the Air Jordan 4 lineup. So let's get into the shoes. So as you can see here, you've got hits of blue on each side, and you have this gray suede over here type of material. I don't know how I feel about this. Typical problems with these cameras. My video got cut because it needed more storage, so I fixed that. But anyways, back to what I was saying. So you got the suede on the top here. And now it's similar to the Toro 4s that I have over there. And it's pretty high quality. I mean, I got no issues with it. And these ones don't have any defects on them because I noticed online some Jordans are having defects, especially these ones like on the top here of the suede. So I'm wondering if it happened to me, but I don't see them on my pair, thank goodness. So it passes my test. On this side, you have the Nike tag and the eBay Verified. Now this one, I hear it's a bit thinner than the old ones. I don't know, these are my first industrial blue pairs, military blue pairs that I've owned. So I'm not familiar how any retro pair before this would look like, but I know these are legit because I got them on eBay, and I gotta say they're really clean. I love the colorway, and you know, a lot is going on with the shoe that I like. It's a very clean silhouette to rock for summer. Now, there's one thing I gotta warn you guys about. If you guys are gonna keep these on ice, make sure you wrap them up because over time, the nets here yellow over here and it looks disgusting. Unless you like that aged look, then that's not a problem. But honestly, if you're gonna put these away and save them for whatever reason, just make sure you cover them or make sure you have some sort of spray that can protect the mesh from yellowing, because my cousin has a pair of 4s and his yellowed like completely and he doesn't like it. He thinks they look old and stuff. So I'm just giving you that, guys, a piece of advice. If you're gonna keep this in your closet and not wear it, but if you're gonna wear it, then don't worry about it. Just try to avoid the sun and make sure the UV rays don't hit on the net. But other than that, the shoe's really good. Like, no issues with it. Without a shadow of a doubt, one of the best releases of this year so far. And I'm glad to have a pair of these. These are officially my third pair of 4s. I just started collecting them this year, not due to the hype, but because I don't have a lot of 4s, right? So I need a little bit more 4s. Well, I'm a sneaker. I always need more of everything, but to expand my collection. But I am gonna rock these. I'm gonna have some fits coming soon in my shorts, so stay tuned for that. But guys, honestly, this is not a bad pair of shoes. If you can find them for retail, get them. I don't know about now, they're sold out, but if you got a W on the app, congratulations, you got a sick pair of shoes. If you got an L, don't worry too much. The resale's not too high, but don't wait too long for these because these are definitely gonna go up in price within a year or so. So I just want you guys to be aware of that, you know, this shoe right now may not seem as popular, meaning the price-wise, but you'll see in time, as a lot of OG colorways, it will rise. Maybe these will be worth like $600 in like a year or so. Who knows, right? I can't predict that, but I know these are gonna have a good resale value. But I really like the OG hits, Nike Air, and just everything more OG, because this is supposed to be true to the original that was released in 1989. So I mean, honestly, it's really good. And I have noticed when I was watching other reviews that the blue is kind of muted. compared to the retros, because on the retros they're a bit brighter. Like I said, I like the blue. I have some outfits that can go with it, so it doesn't really matter to me what kind of blue it is, as long as it looks good and clean and just wearable, which it is. So that's what I really like about the shoe. But let me know your thoughts on it. What do you guys think? Is it worth the hype? Is it worth even getting? To me personally, I try to stay away from white Jordans because the yellowing, I don't like that aged look. To me, I like it when it looks fresh like this, but who knows, right? Everyone has their own taste, but just remember, protect it, keep it away from UV, and just wear simple outfits. And you got it all, man. Honestly, sick pair of shoes. I'm glad I got them. Hopefully I can get the Fear 4s that are coming out in November, apparently. I don't know, but I'll keep you guys updated with the news. Well, anyways, guys, what I can leave you with this video is if you can get them, get them. They're worth it. If you can't, don't worry. It's not a big L. There's a lot of releases coming out this year. So just keep that in mind, all right? I know sometimes we don't have all that money to spend on shoes and stuff. And, you know, as an upcoming YouTuber, I know the struggle. So I can't be like these other sneakerheads who've been around for like 6 years and have like 500,000 subscribers that can just buy these pair and spend $1,000. I try to invest my money more wisely, but I am a sneakerhead. I do want to make content. So just keep that in mind. But one day, I promise you from this day, one day I'll get early access to shoes and I'll just keep dropping them like every single day. Anyways, guys, peace out and join the Discord. The link is in my description below and let's get talking. All right, later.